To counter illegal immigrants, the United States has deployed 500 Marines to the border with Mexico to support its border guards. The White House has released a video showing the arrival of the troops and their preparation for tasks in the border area. The troops were deployed using the V-22 Osprey aircraft of the U.S. Marine Corps. Recently, a contingent of thousands of U.S. troops was ordered to redeploy along the border with Mexico to strengthen the protection of the southern border. Before that, on the day of his inauguration, the new President of the United States, Donald Trump, ordered to increase the military presence on the southern border of America. Recently, a contingent of thousands of U.S. troops was ordered to redeploy along the border with Mexico to strengthen the protection of the southern border. Before that, on the day of his inauguration, the new President of the United States, Donald Trump, ordered to increase the military presence on the southern border of America. In addition, it is reported that the National Guard contingent Operation Lone Star was also deployed in the border area. According to the Texas Military Department, about 4,500 National Guardsmen are currently involved in this mission. More troops are expected to be deployed to the U.S.-Mexico border in the coming weeks and months. The new U.S. administration has declared stopping illegal migration, which is mainly carried out through the southern border of the United States, a priority. As a reminder, at least 17 Texas National Guardsmen have been killed in recent years during Operation Lone Star to protect the border. And back to Ukraine. Warriors of the 82nd Separate Air Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Air Assault Forces tracked down Russian military personnel in the Kursk region who were killing Ukrainian prisoners of war, reported the Air Assault Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Paratroopers of the 82nd Separate Air Assault Bukovina Brigade destroyed a unit of the 155th Separate Marine Brigade of the Russian Pacific Fleet in the Kursk region. The Post notes that these Russians killed Ukrainian prisoners of war. The hunt for these bastards who kill prisoners of war was successful and will continue in the future. Bukovina's paratroopers are ready to send all war criminals from the 155th Brigade to hell, the message says. Earlier war criminal Dmitry Golenkov, involved in Kremenchuk shopping mall attack, was found dead in Bryansk. Overnight, on January 25, Russia launched another major combined missile and drone attack on several regions within Ukraine, including the capital Kyiv, that involved more than 60 aerial weapons. One of the locations attacked was the commercial Black Sea port of Pivdeny, which is one of Ukraine's focuses for the export of grain and other essential goods. This importance has made it a recurring target of Russian military actions. According to the Ukrainian Navy's official Telegram channel, a Sukhoi Su-57 multi-role fighter aircraft launched a Kh-59 short-range cruise missile towards the port, which was intercepted by a surface-to-air missile fired from a patrol boat. Although the Post gave no technical details of either the naval vessel involved or the missile system employed, military analysts have drawn some conclusions after examining the images revealed on the social media post. The open-source military intelligence commentator Ozon Technical concluded that the missile system used was the L-3 Harris Vehicle-Agnostic Modular Palletized ISR Rocket Equipment, Vampire system, employing the laser-guided 70mm Advanced Precision Kill Weapons System missile. Vampire is a modular portable kit designed to be fitted to any vehicle, military or civilian, that is fitted with a cargo bed. Installation is said to be user-friendly, allowing a two-man team to fit it in around 2 hours using standard tools. It was designed primarily as ground-based vehicle-mounted equipment, but there was much discussion in early 2024 of the possibility of integrating it with naval platforms and even unmanned surface vessels such as the Magura 5-5 or Sea Baby drones. This incident suggests that Ukraine has gone ahead with adapting at least one of their patrol boats, possibly a small armored artillery boat, as a mobile anti-missile platform. Some commentators don't see this as a game-changer, arguing that circumstances played into Ukraine's hands. The first contributing factor was the fact that during nighttime or low visibility conditions over water, the Kh-59 flies at very low altitude, around 7 meters, 23 feet, above the surface to evade radar detection using combined inertial navigation and a TV or electro-optical seeker for terminal guidance to the target. A Ukrainian fiber-optic FPV drone flew right up to the entrance of the occupiers' dugout in the Kursk region, but they got lucky. It failed to detonate. Terrifying. Ah yes, no matter how many fairy tales experts tell about the insignificance of Kursk, no matter how much the Kremlin maniac swears its liberation is near, the truth still finds its way out. This morning, the newly appointed governor of the Kursk region, Kinstein, got a generous helping of crap from Russians who have suffered because of the war.
И здесь я нахожусь, и стою перед вами, и никуда от вас не деваюсь, не убегаю, именно для того, чтобы найти и обсудить решение. И пропускаю мимо ушей и оскорбления, в том числе и лично ваш и мой адрес, в том числе, я не хочу сейчас на эту тему говорить, и национальные все эти вещи, которые позволяете, Бог брать, Бог судья. Значит,
я сказал, вы отвечаете вопросом на вопрос.
Встаньте, пожалуйста, кто отвечает.
Это вы не за людей, вы только сказки рассказывать, больше ничего. Занимайтесь своей работой и не перебивайте людей, когда они говорят. Совесть нужно иметь.
Я здесь не для того, чтобы отстаивать интересы правительства. Я здесь для того, чтобы действительно услышать людей.
Нигде.
Вот 6 месяцев.
Деньги где? Раз вы за людей. Где деньги? Мы потеряли их. Мы все потеряли. Мы сейчас купили бабушке квартиру. Ей зайти туда нельзя. Ни отделки нету, ничего нет. Что мы должны делать?
Меня упрекнули в том, что я не даю сказать. Пожалуйста, я даю высказаться.
Александр Алексеевич, ну и как же будет решать этот вопрос? Компенсация нужна всем, это объективная необходимость. Поймите, это объективная необходимость. Подождите. Люди потеряли все. Вот сейчас заходят, получают по сертификату. Там даже чистовой отделки нет. Люди покупают нормальный матрас, и спят на полу. Вот эти 150 тысяч, которые давали, они истрачены на съем жилья, потому что раздавали в сентябре.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.